Today I'm going to do a technical analysis in NIO stock and show you why at this time right now NIO stock soars so quickly and what's going to happen right now. As you can see, these days I'm actually didn't do a video in YouTube since NIO stock has not so important fluctuations, and as you can see all of these fluctuations that actually happened at these 20 days, maybe 2 weeks. Okay, it could be possible. It was ups, down, and in the downside almost 10%. Seeing, as you can see, if you are going to check this chart better, we can actually work in a good consolidation. We had a good pattern, flat pattern here. As you can see, the consolidation that I would like to show you is exactly here at these levels on $4.15 and 4.62. If you are going to see with candlesticks, maybe you are going to check some not exactly a good confirmations from this stock, but this is the reason that actually we are working with the lines, since they actually can provide us the best option and the best view on not only on this stock but also in other commodities and other cryptos. So right now we had a good breakout here, and it can be the best scenario for people who actually took a long position at these levels. But I can tell you that the reliable forecast right now is absolutely in this uptrend, but we have to break out these levels that we actually break down some previous days ago, some previous months ago. As you can see, I have already drawn all of these levels in previous video, and I'm not going to change them since the uncertainty, all of these levels have to be broke at these days. Okay, maybe it's difficult for NIO stock to do this right now, but it have enough possibility scenarios to do something like that. As you can see, you can check what happened at this stock right now. Yesterday we had some Tesla's second quarter deliveries top views. Okay, as you have already known that Tesla's company is in the EV market, and I have already told you that when actually Teslas do something uh, rapidly ups down on their own downside percentages, all of the EV market companies can be influenced from this stock, from Tesla stock. And Tesla actually short almost 10-15% yesterday and today too. And as you can see, NIO just took this 7%, and this percentage is much important for this stock to go from outside from this box, from this consolidation, and it can be something like default from this stock to do this uptrend and to keep going from this uptrend. But never forget that when you are going to do a technical analysis, maybe you would like to work with some indicators, and as you can see, you can draw some indicators like the SE, the SLS, CMA. Okay, and right now I don't want to show you some of the indicators. You have already take in your mind and to take in consideration not only the consolidations and the flag patterns. You have to take in consideration that when you have like, for example, the trade lines that can be for you support level and resistance level, you also have to take into consideration that when you are going to check with the line chart, you have to draw a parallel channel too. As you can see, I have already drawn all of these parallel channels some months ago, and actually, as you can see, they much reliable, since at this particular time of period, here you are, as you can see, in a May, the stock was actually broke at this parallel channel and go down to check this level, go up to check this trend line, the resistance level, and keep going at these levels much lower from $5.50. Okay, and right now I would like to show you one more channel that I believe that it's much important for you if you would like to take into consideration the NIO stock for a bigger time frame. And I believe that it's much important to understand that we have a good parallel channel at this level here, when you actually have to like to draw this from 14 May 2024 until now, and you can absolutely recognize that NIO stock is always at these levels. Maybe we had some fake breakouts here or breakdowns right here, but it can be not so important for you, since when you are going to check this chart from a line chart, you can absolutely be confirmed from your analysis that the scenarios of this company, if this stock going to do this breakout in upside, it can be much important for a continuous upside too. Okay, so all of these occasions, it can be much important for you, since the biggest fluctuation for these 2 or 3 weeks, it's right now. And maybe you think that you was late and you don't open a position right here, and maybe it's not a good timing for you. I can advise you that there is enough possible scenarios for this stock. As you can see here, we have a resistance level, and this stock absolutely face some difficulties. Maybe the NIO stock can go back down at this consolidation, this resistance level, which actually can, it has already changed in support level if this stock goes at this level, and you can wait here to open a position right now. But in case that you would like to open a position right now, I advise you to open, for example, not big position. You can actually open from your all of your equity account the 0.3 of your account, okay, in case that you can multiply, for example, from 1000, and to understand that you can actually invest $300 right now. In case that the NIO stock goes at these back levels here, you can actually open a position again and take into consideration that NIO stock tests this level, and then to open a position again, and maybe to actually decrease your level, your position, and to go all of this equity from this, for example, portfolio, to go inside from $700, okay, and to decrease your average price. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Please push like and subscribe our channel to support us, and take into consideration that this level is much important for you, and we need this confirmation from this level to do this breakout, and then to test some other levels to go in a better scenario for this an uptrend.